Eating a watermelon?
Yes.
That's good.
A big one.
A big one. Today we are at Yukayeke Resort, going to a private party, but I thought I'd show you this beautiful resort because it's one of our friends who helps manage it. So it's got one of the largest pools here, and it's right on Añasco's beach overlooking Tres Hermanos, the public balneario. So if you're ever looking for a nice, beautiful, fun place to stay, right here in Añasco. What, Eden? Look at this, Eden, there's a big gazebo. Let's look at it. Eden, we're gonna go to the playa.
Is that another place?
This way, this way, this way.
Help me that way. Ow. Ow. It's so pretty. Oh, lovely.
Ah. On the beach just beyond Yukayeke Resort, and this time of year there's a ton of turtle nests, like 1, 2, gotta be at least maybe 10 just on this little stretch of sand. They really like this area. Beautiful water. This is just beyond the Tres Hermanos Balneario, the public beach space that has been abandoned, and maybe that's part of why the turtles like it so much. There's very few people that ever come out here on this beautiful stretch of beach. ¿Qué tipo de pez es?
No sé, en verdad, yo jamás.
¿Pero se puede comer?
Sí, se puede comer y sabe rico.
Ok. Oh, gracias.
you want to. I'm scared on the floor, start busting your moves. I don't care what
Aiden, what are you doing today?
Say party.
Party.
Yeah. Jump. Woohoo! Wow! Another gorgeous display. We have some big torches, reds and pinks, as well as some white ones. Those are always so impressive.
Why are you putting more there?
And we also have a lot of heliconias, the hakinis, and some of these very large ones, as well as the shell ginger and some alpinias. Aiden, what's this?
A frog.
What kind?
Frog.
What's he say?
Cookie.
You're playing with a cookie?
Mm-hmm.
And what are we gonna build right here?
A Centaurio
A
bus.
chinchorreo bus, what's that?
I don't know.
The cookie. Aiden, what is it? Did you get your chinchorreo bus? What are you building?
Centaurio bus.
Where are they going?
I'm going to the restaurant.
They're going to the restaurant? What are they going to do there?
Eat food and drink juice.
And drink juice? What kind of jugos?
Orange juice.
Orange juice, good job. That's going to be fun, huh? That's a big, tall one. Got a lot of people in that chinchorreo bus. Are you learning?
For me.
A, that's right, A for Aiden. That's your string. Get the A. Put E again.
Why?
There you go. Now put A. There you go.
Wow, almost all of Aiden's name could be done on the string, on the chords, huh?
Yeah, because that one's D. D.
This little tree is going off. There's a ton of fruit on it. It's called a patanga. Suriname cherry. Almost looks like little pumpkins. Just a few of our fruits. This is a níspero, saporia, and a patangas.
Here's the fruit from the farm for the way home.
Just collecting a few here and there. Hop, hop, hop. Happy Easter! Hop, Aiden. I'm gonna hop on you. Hop, 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 hop. We're going to the Easter activity at the Train Museum here in Isabela. So let's go see what they've got. We've never been here before, but they've got some jumpy castle for kids and some other fun stuff. So let's go check it out. It's got all of the tools that were used in the olden days around here, and then it's got some other all throughout here at this museum. Lots of cool places to take pictures and think about how it used to be. We got people dressed as train engineers, and that's kind of a fun little place. Ooh, come on in, Dad. Dad, what is it?
They look in here.
You can see inside there. This is where the fire would go
up, conductor?
Ah, the engineer. Let's put your little hat on, baby. Oh, Tom's here. They're different, huh?
You like it?
Fix it.
Is it broken?
It's broken.
Here's what the inside of a train car looks like. Would maybe have carried sugar cane or supplies around, but some of the old equipment. Oh, look in there. Here they come.
What's in there? What is it?
Candy.
Wow, that's a lot of candy.
Now we gotta stick that on there, huh?
This is a knife out.
Those are his whiskers.
Why?
You can just put it on here. Put it on the back.
Get the one in the farm.
So we're here with the owner. What was the name? What was your name again?
Victor Diaz.
Victor Diaz.
Yeah.
And this has been open for a little over 2 years. Right before the pandemic started, he opened it, unfortunately, so it's kind of had a slow chugga start, right?
Yeah.
That engine hasn't been really,
Yeah.
but it's starting to get back up, and so it's really beautiful, and you have a great collection.
Thank you. Thank you. This is the only locomotive from Tren de Circunvalación. Tren de Circunvalación was a railroad in Puerto Rico. We tried to make some train for passenger all around the island. They bought 117 different locomotives, but this is the only left in Puerto Rico.
Only one left?
That's the
Wow.
last one. So this is the number 88.
So most trains in Puerto Rico were for industry, but this was specifically for
That's
passengers.
correct. Most of our locomotives work for the sugar mills.
Right.
But this is for the passenger train, and it came in 1918. It was made in the United States for the American Locomotive Company, Añasco, and it worked until 1960 when finally it stopped working. And we rescued it in 2016, and we have been trying to put together.
Beautiful. This is definitely the shining star of the museum.
That's cool.
Yep.
Let's jump.
Jump!
Oh, Dada, too. Alright, we're trying chancleta de maíz here in Isabela. We got our little appetizers of the black bean salad and some chips and guac. We're gonna wait for our tacos, but buen provecho.
Take a little food truck.
Yeah, nice. A lot bigger.
I just like these.
You can eat the beans, baby.
Okay.
Yeah.
Want to open it?
Alright, we're here in Aguada and we are at one of the symbols of the Tainos for femininity and womanhood, the Atabe. And so there's always some new art all along here. They're playing some live music behind us. People are enjoying it.
Find piraguas.
Piraguas.
Say, yo quiero piraguas?
Quiero piraguas.
Muy bien, let's go find some piraguas, see? He's pulling me.
Okay.
Ada, what's this right here? It's a new carving right here. Look at that. It's like her heart sticking out of her chest. A lot of agua in there, huh? Look at this one, Ada. You want to come up with it? It's the taino.
I don't like to eat it.
Okay.
I don't like to.
And butterflies. You want to be a butterfly? Okay. I'll be a butterfly on this side. There's a butterfly on this side too. One on this side and one on this side. Ooh, look, look, look. Alright, we didn't find any piraguas, no. But we found ice cream. Want to eat some? Hey, it matches my dress. What are you getting, Aiden?
Apples.
The pomarosa apples, huh? So many on this tree. Oh, you're gonna fall in